Assalamu alaikum dear Falconians and hello there. How are you all? Okay, class 7 we are now talking about the concept of the two nation theory, and in this concept there is a topic ideology. What do we mean by ideology? What is the ideology? We will figure it out. Ideology is generally used in a wider perspective because human beings have unique way of thinking. It constitutes a system of human life whose integral parts are assertions, or you can say the theories or the objectives of human life. In a society, the individual should have common belief, common customs, traditions, and rituals. So, let's figure it out more about ideology. First of all, we need to have a look. What do we mean about ideology? The word ideology is composed of two Greek words. Okay, few people name it French origin, few people call it Greek word. Ideo and logos. It literally means science of ideas. Okay guys, so ideology is a set of belief, not a single belief, but there is a group of belief, ideas and values which direct one's goal. Mean the group of people are thinking on a same perspective and they are willing to have a mutual goal. And the collective life of a group or a nation people struggle collectively in a group in the light of a common thinking. That collective thinking is called the ideology of the nation. Right guys? It could be the product of the great and the influential minds, or it could be involved as a result of a divine guidance. So, the significance of ideology are, first of all, it means a nation toward a purposeful life, not a useless life, but there is a purpose of a life. The second thing, ideology keeps people of a society more united. Ideological nations face no problem in legislation because basic principles already exist in form of ideology. Are you getting my point, guys? Ideology plays a vital role in national identity. Nation. What is nation? A group of people who are having same ideology. A large body of people united by the common descent, history, culture, or a language inhabiting a particular state are called nation. So the question is that what is the ideology of Pakistan? If you can see clearly, let me zoom it for you. Okay. Ideology of Pakistan is ideology of Islam because we are having Islami Jamhuriyat Pakistan. Right? So on the base of which Muslims of subcontinent struggled for a separate homeland. We were having the two nation theory. So ideology of Pakistan based on the two nation theory, which upholds that Hindus and Muslims are two separate and distinct nations having their own culture, their own civilization, their literature, religion, and the way of living. Muslims cannot merge with any other nation because their philosophy of life is based upon the principles of Islam. So, what are the elements of ideology of Pakistan? Number one, Kalma Tawheed. All the people, all the nation is having one Kalma. They are having fraternity, the brotherhood, and their all life is consists of Islamic values, Quran and Sunnah. So, Islamic system of life. So guys, if we talk about Pakistan ideology, So the evolutionary process of ideology of Pakistan is this, that the ideology of Pakistan took shape through evolutionary process. First of all was historical experience provided the base. Historical experiences provided the base. First of all, Allama Iqbal gave philosophical explanation of Pakistan ideology. Then Jinnah translated it into the political reality. And then the Constitution Assembly of Pakistan by passing or giving it to a legal sanction. So guys, this was the ideology of Pakistan. We will talk briefly in our next session. What was ideology? I told you, ideology is generally used in a wider perspective. It constitutes a system of human life. And what is the human life? Like the theories and the objectives of human life. And in a society, the individuals should have the common belief, custom, tradition, and rituals. Thank you guys.